My guitar is back with another episode of Blessing. So guys, for this video I'm going to show you 2 licks to apply in your worship section. 2 licks that are going to sound good when you're improvising in your worship section, okay? Now this lick is going to apply to any keys on the guitar fretboard, okay? You can apply it on the keys in the guitar fretboard, okay? Now, one thing you need to know is that, when I show you licks on my video, I show you licks depending on the keys I want you to, improvise, depending on the keys I want to improvise on or I want to play on, okay? But this licks can be applied to any keys on the guitar fretboard, any keys you are playing in, okay, guys? As long as you know the notes, as long as you know the feelings and the harmony attached to it, okay, it's going to sound better, right? Okay, so now if you know that is the first time you're watching me on this channel, okay, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, guys. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you have any challenge, you can hit it on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible, guys. If you know that you want to join my online class and you need a personal lesson, okay, just follow the number on the screen there, okay? And chat me up. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Alright guys, so let's move straight into the video. Okay, so I want to do this lesson in the key of E. Okay, this is the key of E on the 2nd string. We have it here on the 4th string. We have it here on the 6th string. Okay? Okay, we have it here. So we have it here again. Okay, you know why I used to show you, why I used to play scales like that, why I used to show you my major scale like that. I'm showing you because I want you to understand. For many of you that don't understand the fretboard, the scales on the fretboard, okay, that's why I always play my scale like that, for you guys to understand, okay, how your intervals of your major scales on in each key, each particular key, okay. So if you are playing on like the chord progressions, like I want to make it very simple, chord progression like this is your normal aim chord, like do. Okay, then you play something like a la, va, sol, do. Okay, I think chord progression like that, you can have it. So if you play chord progressions like that, and you want to, you want some licks and some licks you can apply, okay, that's going to make it sound better, sound good. So when so I'm trying to play a normal straight chord like this. For many of you that can hold a straight chord, okay, so like if you're playing a straight chord like this, you can play something like that. So when the keyboard is okay, or the rhythm is on key of is on the 1 chord like this, okay. Do, you can play something like. Then when it goes to the la, you can play something like that. Okay. La. So now what I'm showing there now is a kind of lesson that you might not hold a chord and still be able to play that, okay. So you need to maybe when the keyboard is on the chord, the do chord, do, you can play stuff like that. So what I'm playing there is I'm playing from the sol. This is your do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol. So I play from the sol, do, re, sol. I come to the high sol again on the 4th string, okay. Then I slide on the mi to the mi, okay. Mi, do, sol, do, re, sol. string, okay? So, la, mi, do. Okay? Okay? So, that's the number one key. So, when you're going to your la, which is the 6th chord, okay? You can play something like. So what I'm playing there, I'm starting from the re. So I slide from the re, okay, slide from the re to the mi. Remember, this is your key. Okay, this is your key. Do, re, mi. Okay. So you have your re and mi here, then your la here. So I slide from the re, mi, la. Then I play do, ti, la again, okay? You play it at once, just okay? Okay? So I played from the mi, I hammer on from the mi to the va. Mi, fa, mi. Okay. Okay, I didn't play the mi again, so I just play. Okay. Mi, fa, mi. I use the velocity of the mi to hammer on the va. Okay. Now what I'm playing there is re, mi, do. Okay. 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 So that is second lick, okay? That is 2 licks you can apply when you are going to your 1 chord and your 6th chord. Okay, so in the next lesson I'm going to show you licks you can apply when you're going on the 4 chord and the 5 chord. Okay, so guys, wherever you don't understand, I'd like you to hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. Okay guys, so make sure you go through the video and work it very well so you don't make any mistake. Okay, and wherever you don't understand, hit me up. I'm going to give you a reply. Okay, all right guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.